Good morning to one and all present here, respected guests, respected faculties, and my dear friends. I am Manya from Lingyas Vidyapeeth, IIC organizing a session on annual investment, VC funding opportunities for early stage entrepreneurs. So, about IIC, in the year 2018, the Ministry of Education through MOE's Innovation Cell launched the Institution Innovation Council, that is IIC, program in collaboration with AICTE for higher education institutions to systematically foster the culture of innovation and startup ecosystem in education institutions. Primarily, IIC role is to engage many faculty, students, and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities such as ideation, problem solving, proof of concept development, design thinking, IPR, project handling, and management at the pre-incubation stages, etc. So that innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem get established and stabilized in HEIS. The IIC model is designed to address the existing challenges ensure in HEIS such as the fewer number, occasional and unplanned innovation and entrepreneurship activities organized in HEIS with low involvement of top leadership, lack of coherence and absence of synergy in resources, mobilization, deployment and underutilization of creative potential of youth as the major barrier of vibrant INC ecosystem to emerge the HEIS. Now, about Lingyas Vidyapeeth. Lingyas Vidyapeeth, a renowned education institute dedicated to the nurturing young minds and empowering them with education, knowledge, and skill values. Established in AN 1998, our institutes have a rich history of academic excellence and a commitment to holistic development in students. Saying that we focus on our students' overall development without creating a balance in providing them with equal opportunity in both academic and non-academic domains would be defeating the entire purpose. So good thing that to strengthen the pillars of our academic domains, we don't have a continuously updating curriculum, but also highly qualified and experienced faculty members who firmly believe in knowledge creation and dissemination. Now I would like to call our guest Dr. K.K. Garg for the session.
So we are going to discuss about the topic based on the angel investment and venture capital funding opportunity. So first I would like to thank all the ICC members and committee who invite me to discuss about this topic. This is the funding and recently have you seen daily on the lot of startup since last decade we have progressive form and we find lot of things. Angel investment and venture capital is a first requirement. Those have to be become a good entrepreneur or children. And recently we have seen that more than lakhs of startup within last 7 or 8 years. Even the unicorn, we have more than 50 is already in it. And this is growing every day. But question is that how do you collect the, how you raise the fund? You have seen one 2 years back, one boy is Santanu Naidu. He's a did a BTech mechanical from the near to the Pune and Bombay office. And when he crossed the road from Pune to Bombay, he find a lot of dogs, which is the accidentally by the car, because the speed of car is there. He has just an idea. If he have some indication to the car driver to save the dogs, he just one idea how the one strip with the fluorescent, and when the headlight of cars or four-wheelers will be, then you easily can find the dogs is the crossing the road. And he started plan, and with the help of 3 or 4 friends, he just started one NGO, and taking with the help of more, he used this street food dog in the form of the fluorescent. But we find we need a more capital, more fund. Then Santanu Naidu write a letter to the most respectable our in India in this stage for business, Mr. Ratan Tata. And Ratan Tata invite him, Santanu Naidu, what you want. He just tell about you want to save the dogs, those are the crossing, but due to the high speed of car and trucks and buses, they are badly hit. And Ratan Tata arranged some fund, and after that we see a lot of story in the social media. Even the Ratan Tata celebrate his birthday with the Santanu. This is a story just with the humanistic sides, but a lot of story you have seen and you have heard, like Flipkart. Like, this is a big story. 2 boys who study in the IIT Delhi in 2002, and they have started one venture. This is just the guidelines, just the follow-up of Amazon. Have you seen the Amazon also started a one library, but after that he know what the market. Similarly, Flipkart, Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal both are decided to raise the fund through the venture capitalist. So ultimately you have need a lot of money, but suppose you have an idea, good idea, then a lot of companies or individuals ready to help you to your success story. This is the form. One is the angel investment, and second the venture capital. What is the venture capital? Basically, venture capital is a big thing. This is basically big organization, and they're ready to pay money. Even you have not a collateral security, because you just to start the startup you have not a collateral security. So they are ready to pay, but condition is that your idea, your plan must be a fantastic, and this is a futuristic. However, the rate of interest mostly the venture capitalists is high, but you have a good opportunity to raise fund through the venture capital without any collateral security. Otherwise, mostly businesses, houses, when they are close to the banks, they need the collateral. In India, a lot of venture capitalists like Essence, Nexus, Valkyrie, and Jodis is working, and those have ready to pay huge amount on your project basis. But similarly, many individuals ready to help you if you have your venture is. Those have one is the example, the Kunal Shah, Ratan Tata, even the Anupam Kher, a lot of list, those are ready to pay money through the angel investor. So the big difference between the angel investor, generally the individual, a network of the individual. However, venture capitalist is a big organization. So big difference is huge side in the venture capital and the individual basis, but a lot of network of the individual is also possible to do this. So at angel investment, you look at, you have to submit reports on the project. After the identified feasibility reports, they ready to pay money for your venture. Government also play big role. but sometimes we need money on the basis of without collateral support. Even the government is giving a lot of without the collateral support. You have in the education, you have seen Baiju, Physics Wala. Both is a story of the growing, raising fund through the engine of it, and then they reach to the venture capital. So it's a very big possibility. Suppose you have ideas, and suppose you want individual or group of members a business, you must be first you plan properly, and this must be the futuristic, especially in the era of artificial intelligence. A lot of opportunity because the economy of the India is going to digitalization, but it needed time. So a lot of opportunity in India and other emerging countries like Brazil, Indonesia, etc. And lot of opportunity in India because our youth is in the group of the project. In the world where the European country, Japan is going to the aging, India is a more young compared to the other countries. So you have to plan accordingly. You have to discuss with your team members and must be submit proposal for the angel. This list is available on the internet, and how you proceed is all mechanism. Basically, you can get through the internet. Second thing is this is the more important. In the era of especially the artificial intelligence, the startup mostly today is all form of the internet based. You have heard lot of changes is done, especially the after Corona. Specific the Corona time, our lifestyle has changed. We are generally going to the grocery, to the shop, and physical form. But now is more than 76% in the especially the urban areas shift to soft to the online service. Even those have a intellectual capital related services like IT. They have also used you have to work from the home or in a hybrid mode, because if you have a capacity of 1,000, but if you want to work from the 2,000, this is the best mode. That means the scenario is totally changed after the Corona, and there are a lot of ideas through the group discussion, through the emerging marketing case study. You can apply with the angel investment or venture capital. However, because this is the early stage entrepreneurs, there are others lot of opportunity. You can apply MSME, micro, small, medium enterprise to the overhead up to the 10 lakhs. There are no need to the collateral security. However, for the angel investment is a good for those started the early entrepreneurs. So I hope this discussion is continuous form, and if you have an idea, any business, I want you to discuss with you. You have, suppose you want to start any venture, and the venture, this is found in your executive, which you have seen the long-term career perspective. You can formalize properly the plan, and this is with the consultancy. There are a lot of opportunity in India and abroad. You can invest big amount. But angel investment, not just to the Ratan Tata. Around most of 2,000 businessmen is ready to invest because they want to. Suppose the example you see the Infosys company Infosys is a professional management company where Narayan Murthy to the others, those have the CEO, all are ready to pay, ready to help to the those starting on business. This is a practice of not only the professional management company like Infosys or Tata Group. Others company, those have the Hindu undivided family, which is around the US, also need to pay or raise fund through the angel capital or through the venture. It's a good opportunity. You have to plan accordingly, and you first you plan and check your feasibility. And this must be the internet based. You don't need in the starting stage a huge amount, because artificial is a very cost effective. But you need a first idea. If you have a good idea, you can directly apply to the for the your angel capital, angel venture capitalist. I suggest if you have more than $9.9 million company, but in the startup, mostly you can apply either your Indian banks, which is under the MSME, or through the angel. So I would like to if you have some idea or some planning to start your venture, तो उससे आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि वेंचर स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, तो किसी की हम केस स्टडी फॉर्म में देखते हैं. एंड सपोज आपके अभी कुछ बच्चों ने एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म में किया था कि कॉलोनी मैनेजमेंट के लिए एक ऐप बनाया, और दे नीड इनिशियली for the software requirement or for the marketing, then just to उसको कॉलोनी की जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसने ऐप में लिया और कॉलोनी के सभी लोगों को दिया गया, और ये मैंने एक मॉडल देखा गाली बाद में बहुत सक्सेसफुल, एंड नाउ दिस मॉडल इज शिफ्ट टू मेनी कॉलोनीज. एंड आई नो दैट अर्लियर one student, Abhishek from Lalita Devi in 2019, he started just internet-based the solution of the problem of the household, like arrange the plumber, electrician, etc. उसने ऐप बनाया था और उसका चला था, जो नाम जश आदमी, and then he sell to the urban वालों को सेल कर दिया था. तो and now he's a startup ने एजुकेशन को शुरू किया, ठीक है. तो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इज पॉसिबल, बट फर्स्ट यू हैव ए आइडिया. इफ यू गुड आइडिया, लॉट ऑफ एंजल्स कैपिटल रेडी टू रेज फंड थ्रू द ऑन और थ्रू द नेट, एंड मोर देन 100 यूनिकॉर्न फॉर्म इन इंडिया इज द सक्सेस स्टोरी, जो कि लगातार बढ़ रही है इन द वर्ल्ड वाइड. And you see that Flipkart और जो भी चीज़ इस तरह की कंपनीज आ रही हैं, डेली जोमेटो है, ये सभी कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्टअप से भी शुरू हुई. बट दिस इज द बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अगर आप और थोड़ा सा स्टार्टअप देखें तो उस कंपनी को आपको नहीं पता होगा, बट उनकी स्टोरी कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्ट होती है तो एक प्लान के साथ होती है, और देन यू कैन इजली apply for the angel. So finally, in the conclusion form, angel investment is the individuals or network of individuals. Those are the big businessmen, those are the professionals ready to help the young startup, and they find a good idea. और सेम टाइम यहाँ पर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जो बैंक से आपका थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, बट दे नॉट नीड एनी इक्वलिटरी सिक्योरिटी, ठीक है ना. इक्वलिटरी सिक्योरिटी की कोई आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. नो नीड एनी इक्वलिटरी सिक्योरिटी, तो नहीं मांगते, बट आपका आइडिया अच्छा होना चाहिए और उन्हें ऐसा लगना चाहिए. तो ये है एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंजल बहुत कम मनी से भी वाले भी हैं और बहुत, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि बहुत बड़े बड़े रतन टाटा तक भी हैं जो कि काफी पैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं। इन्वेस्टमेंट का उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव हो सकता है ना प्रॉफिट का हो, बट दे वांट टू द हेल्प न्यू स्टार्ट, ठीक है। और अगर इफ यू गो टू द इंटरनेट, कौन कौन से इन्वेस्टर हैं इंडिया में, कौन कौन से किस कहाँ पर हेल्प कर रहे हैं, तो आपको वो सारी चीजें मिल जाएगी। अगर आई विल बी कनेक्ट विद यू in the next session, then will be or other medium who is the best for your venture. So this is the angel capital. However, those the venture capital funding is the big organization, and they have purpose only basically is through the income, through the interest. तो अगर आपका बहुत बिग प्रोजेक्ट है तो आप वेंचर कैपिटल में जाएंगे, और ये जैसे एसेंस है, वेंचर्स है, और टालानी एंड इसके बाद जॉर्डिस का 4 कंपनी हैं, और इस समय 2000 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, मिलियंस से ज़्यादा डॉलर आपकी हेल्प करते हैं। वो 4 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बहुत बड़े, और इसके अलावा ग्लोबल्स का जो आपका टाइगर्स ग्लोबल्स भी बहुत बड़ा वेंचर्स है, वो भी बहुत बड़ा आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करता है। एंड दीज ऑल द स्टोरी जो बाइजू हैं, जैसे सारा जो अभी आपने सुना है, इसकी केस स्टडी आप स्टडी करेंगे तो यू इजीली फाइंड हाउ वी रेज द फंड थ्रू द वेंचर कैपिटल और इन और however if in the starting stage you convert after 3 years in the limited company, अगर आप इसका 3 साल का लिमिटेड कंपनी बना देते हैं तो you don't need then angel or venture capital. You come to the market through the public issue. अब पब्लिक इशू के थ्रू मार्केट से बहुत सा पैसा ले सकते हैं फंड के लिए, बट इट नीड टू टाइम, और आपकी थोड़ी सी गुडविल बननी चाहिए। और पब्लिक इशू से जैसे मतलब है कि जो हम शेयर इशू कर रहे हैं पब्लिक के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें भी बहुत सारा पैसा। सेकेंड फॉर्म फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, जो कि फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन आपकी गुडविल के साथ देखते हैं। तो देखिए, फंड ऐसी चीज है, आप स्टार्टअप कर रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे वेंचर्स हैं, आपने देखा होगा जिसमें आपको बताया कि हाउ द फ्लिपकार्ट दो फ्रेंड थे, सचिन बंसल और बिंदी बंसल, जो कि IIT में पढ़ रहे थे या बहुत से ऐसी स्टोरी है जो कि उन्होंने बहुत कम कैपिटल से स्टार्ट किया, बट सेम टाइम जैसे जैसे वो ग्रो करते चले गए तो उसके साथ उन्होंने अपने को कन्वर्ट किया और पब्लिक इशू मार्केट में। अगर आप बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे नो गारंटी, आप देख सकते हैं कि अनिल अंबानी ग्रुप जो है उनके पास $1 बिलियन था, वो काफी नीचे आ चुके हैं मार्केट में बहुत कुछ। तो ऐसे कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको फंड रेडी नहीं है पे करने के लिए, बट यू हैव ए गुड प्लान how this work, what your mechanisms, how can you see in the next 5, 10 and 15 years the market, तभी वो आपको एंजल वेंचर कैपिटल से आप एडवांटेज कर सकते हैं। So I hope this is a simple introduction lecture on the angel investment and venture capital funding. If you have any question, any doubt or any question related to the angel investment or venture capital funding or other funding, and or you have one idea, you want to start your own startup, with a group of members, you are welcome. So I think you in 5 minutes. Suppose you have any questions, please you can raise. तो ये सब चीजें थी आपकी छोटी चीजें, जो कि एंजल और इन्वेस्टमेंट और वेंचर कैपिटल इज अ बिग डिफरेंस, बट अल्टीमेटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टू द हेल्प ऑफ द स्टार्ट, बट साइज ऑफ कैपिटल, साइज ऑफ फंड इज बेसिकली द डिफरेंस। So this is the new story of India, especially in 21st century, and this is booming due to the internet-based economy. You have seen earlier earlier, if you go to the booking, you have to go to the booking window. But nowadays, you don't need any booking. You just do through the internet. You have a lot of opportunities to find. Please, any questions, any doubt, or any discussion, or any idea of you want to start your venture or start up, or already you have associated with the any venture, and suppose you have facing any funding issue, funding problem, or suppose you want to start any startup without security, so you can raise your question. I hope if you have a plan to start your own venture or group of the members venture, a lot of opportunity for the funding through the angel or venture capital, and you can get easily funded if you have a strong, effective or futuristic. So I suggest first you work a plan which must be the futuristic, which is based on your own experience, based on the discussion, based on your market survey, and then you, through the project form, you submit this report to the angels, investors, and whatever you fund, they will be discussed with you. After they will discuss, maybe few angels are not ready, but few, one or more angel, 100%, I think you will accept your proposal. So this is the conclusion. I hope we will be discussing the futuristic idea. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for the fine speech. Now I'd like to call Ms. Preksha ma'am for the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. As we conclude today's workshop on angel investment, venture capital, funding opportunity for early stage entrepreneurship, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made the event success. First and foremost, I extend my sincere thanks to our estimate speaker, Dr. K.P. Garg, sir. Sir, your insight and expertise have provided us with invaluable knowledge about securing investment for early stage ventures. I would also like to express my appreciation to all the participants who joined us today. A big thank you goes to all the organizers and volunteers who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. Lastly, thank you, and I wish you all the best your entrepreneurship journey. Thank you so much.